Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's on a lot of people's minds right now. Is your money safe in Gemini? Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that has been around for a few years now. It's one of the most popular exchanges out there, and it's used by millions of people all over the world. But with all of the recent volatility in the cryptocurrency market, a lot of people are starting to wonder if their money is safe in Gemini. In this video, I'm going to answer that question for you. I'll be discussing the security measures that Gemini has in place, as well as the company's financial stability. I'll also be sharing some tips on how to keep your money safe when using Gemini. So, if you're wondering whether or not your money is safe in Gemini, then be sure to watch this video all the way through. Before we get into the specifics of Gemini's security measures, let's take a look at the company's financial stability. Gemini is a publicly traded company, and it's required to file its financial statements with the SEC. This means that we can get a good idea of the company's financial health by looking at its financials. Gemini has been profitable for the past few years, and it has a strong balance sheet. The company has also raised over $1 billion in funding from investors, which gives it a lot of financial stability. So, from a financial perspective, Gemini seems to be in good shape. Now let's take a look at the security measures that Gemini has in place. Gemini uses a number of security measures to protect its users' assets. These measures include two-factor authentication 2FA, cold storage, insurance, compliance with regulations. Two-factor authentication 2FA is a security feature that requires users to provide two forms of identification before they can access their account. This helps to prevent unauthorized access to accounts, even if someone has stolen a user's password. Cold storage is a security measure that involves storing the majority of Gemini's cryptocurrency offline. This makes it much more difficult for hackers to steal the funds. Gemini also has insurance in place to protect its users' assets in the event of a hack or other security breach. Finally, Gemini complies with a number of regulations, including the Bank Secrecy Act and the Anti-Money Laundering Act. So, Gemini has a number of security measures in place to protect its users' assets. This makes it one of the safest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. However, it's important to remember that no cryptocurrency exchange is 100% safe. There is always a risk of hacks and other security breaches. So, if you're concerned about the safety of your money, you may want to consider diversifying your portfolio by storing some of your cryptocurrency offline. Tips for keeping your money safe when using Gemini. Here are a few tips for keeping your money safe when using Gemini. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication 2FA. Store the majority of your cryptocurrency offline. Be careful about clicking on links or downloading attachments from suspicious emails. Only use reputable exchanges and wallets. By following these tips, you can help to reduce the risk of losing your money to hackers or other criminals. So, is your money safe in Gemini? Overall, yes. I believe that your money is safe in Gemini. The company has a strong financial foundation, and it has a number of security measures in place to protect its users' assets. However, it's important to remember that no cryptocurrency exchange is 100% safe. There is always a risk of hacks and other security breaches. If you're concerned about the safety of your money, you may want to consider diversifying your portfolio by storing some of your cryptocurrency offline. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're interested in learning more about Gemini, please visit their website. You can also sign up for a Gemini account by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.